Hey beautiful brides. So how is your wedding journey going so far? सब preparations हो गए? I know you must be under a lot of excitement and a little bit of anxiety also. And why not? Of course, this is going to be your big day, right? But let me tell you a secret. You know what? Every bride is beautiful in her own unique way. We are just here to make you realize this. So you must be having a lot of queries and questions and doubts in your mind. आपको ग्लो के लिए क्या करना चाहिए, क्या डाइट आपको यूज़ करनी चाहिए, which products you should use, which treatments you should you go to a salon or should you consult a dermatologist, what are the treatments that are safe to be taken just before your wedding, what are the treatments that are going to be maximum benefit for you, and of course जो DIY hacks होते हैं Instagram के, obviously you must be flooded. Everyone would be advising you one or the other thing to do this or that. I'm here today to answer all your queries and hopefully to give you a certain regime which will make you not just a bride with a glowing skin but also a very healthy and nourished skin. So first thing first, see, a glowing skin cannot be achieved unless you have a very healthy body and a very relaxed mind. Okay, so first we will start that how you should prep your skin, prep your body rather, for such a big event of your life, right? So the first thing is to have a balanced and well nourished diet. By this I mean that your diet should be a wholesome food. It should have enough of antioxidants, there should be sufficient calories, sufficient proteins, micronutrients and all of this, right? So it is important that you take, fresh fruits, vegetables. Since it is winter, you can have soups and all that. So this, and include lots of colored vegetables, lots of colored fruits in your daily diet. It is really going to help you. It will, cover your micronutrient deficiencies and all that. Now, if you have like a acne prone skin, in that case, you should really cut down on, high glycemic index food or dairy products, and in general also take a count of your calories and try to cut down on refined sugars, try to cut down on junk food. Do not eat out a lot, and even if you're eating out, make healthy choices. And last but not the least important thing is, please do not crash diet just before your wedding. आपका weight एक basic minimum maintain होना चाहिए. I have seen so many brides in the panic of fitting into a certain weight or fitting into a certain outfit, they just crash diet. They stop eating everything, and it is going to take a toll on your skin, on your hair, on your mind, on your body as well. Okay. Now the second point is to remain hydrated. I know there must be a lot of course that you must be doing inside the house, outside as well, but make sure that you are hydrated. Even if it is winters, you have to maintain a certain amount of water, and not just water, make sure that you have an ample supply of fruit juices, coconut water. You can go for herbal drinks. If you're fond of, you can take green teas. All these things are going to definitely help you. Third thing is exercise regularly. Right? You have to take out some time in your schedule and make some time for exercising, because exercise is not just important to maintain your body, but it will also take care of your hormonal levels, and it will keep you relaxed also, right? Next things that you can practice is meditation. So among all this stress, meditation is something that is really going to calm down your nerves, and yes, a relaxed person looks more beautiful automatically. So yes, meditation is important, and also maintain a certain hours of sleep. So a minimum of 6 to 8 hours of sleep is something that we all require. Particularly you, when you are going to be a bride, there is a lot of things going on in your life, a lot of changes that are going to happen in your life. Already your mind is very puzzled. So try to take at least 6 to 8 hours of sound deep sleep. Now, this is the basic things that you need to take care of to have a good skin, a healthy skin, a well-nourished skin. Now coming to your basic skincare routine. Now this is a generalized skincare routine. Of course, if you have certain skin conditions like acne or skin allergies or something else, then you need to consult your dermatologist specifically for the products your particular skin type requires, right? But yes, in general, you should wash your face at least twice in a day with a cleanser. So if you have a dry skin, use a mild cleanser. If you have acne prone skin or an oily skin, in that case, you can use a AHA or a BHA, that is either glycolic acid or salicylic acid based cleanser. Then after that, you have to use a moisturizer. You can't skip it. Again, if you have a dry skin, you have to use some intense moisturizers. But if you have an acne prone skin or an oily skin, then you can go for a lighter gel based moisturizer. Then third thing and the most important thing is to use a sunscreen. Make sure that you apply your sunscreen 30 minutes before stepping out into the sun, and even after applying it once, you have to reapply it every 3 to 4 hours, because once you have applied the sunscreen, the effect is going to stay only for 3-4 hours, not more than that, right? You can also apply an antioxidant based serum or a vitamin C serum, but make sure that these serums are layered with sunscreen, so that these serums, they don't get denatured or broken down when they come into the contact of sun, right? And do consult your dermatologist before starting any specific serums, because serums are very concentrated products and all serums are not meant for all skin types, okay? Then coming to your night routine, in the night, most important thing is do not forget to take out your makeup. It is a must. You cannot leave your makeup. Doesn't matter how tired you are or how busy you are. You have to take out time and clean your face properly, clean out your makeup properly, right? Then that is going to be followed by again a cleanser, by a moisturizer, a toner if you feel like using it. And of course, after that comes the role of night cream. Now, night creams are given based on your skin type and based on your skin condition, whether you have an acne skin or you have pigmentation issues or you have dry skin. Accordingly, a night cream would be suggested to you by your dermatologist. Now, the next question that must be coming to your mind is that when should I start my pre-bridal skincare? So see, it all depends on your skin conditions. Like if you have certain skin conditions like psoriasis or seborrhea or acne or rosacea, any such thing, then you have to consult your dermatologist at least 3 months prior to your wedding, because medicines and whatever your dermatologist is suggesting to you, whether oral medications or topical medications, they require some time to work, right? Now, let's suppose you are planning for a laser hair removal session. Some of the brides, they choose for full body laser hair removal. But if you are planning that, then you have to consult your dermatologist at least 6 to 8 months prior to your wedding, okay? Then only you are going to see the fruitful results. Then let's suppose you have acne scars, or you have hair fall issues, you want to get PRP done, or you want to get, vampire facial, or you want some laser treatment of your acne scars, or there are certain collagen induction therapies, including PRP, MNRF, all these things. So these all things require some time to show their full effect. So if you are planning any such thing, then you should plan advance at least 3 to 4 months before your wedding, and you should start your sessions at that time, right? So be in touch with your dermatologist and do as what they prescribe to you. Now coming to the last minute glow things. So there are many brides, I'm sure, who do not have any specific skin condition for which they require an intensive treatment. They just want to have a last minute glow treatment done. So there are many safe treatments available with a dermatologist which you can avail, which do not have any downtime, which will not produce any side effects, and which will give you instant glow. Okay, so these are my recommendations for you. You can opt for a glow peel, you can opt for medifacials, or you can go for laser toning, mesotherapy, and carbon peel or Hollywood facial as it is called. And besides this, if at all you require Botox or fillers, like if you are having a lot of worry lines or frown lines or crow's feet, in that case you can opt for Botox treatment. That can be done around 10 to 14 days before the wedding. And if you want to get a filler done, then yes, that can also be done within just 10 to 15 days prior to your wedding. But at least take a gap of 10 to 15 days before your wedding to get any such thing done. But always remember, beauty is not just skin deep. You need to be beautiful inside to look glowing outside. So aim towards a healthy body, a relaxed mind, and you will automatically get a glowing skin. And of course, we are here to help you out to make a certain treatment plan which is suitable for your requirement, for your skin type, based on your needs. And yes, even if you are coming just 4 days before your wedding or 3 days before your wedding, we have a solution for you to give you an instant glow. So do not hesitate in contacting us or any of your dermatologists, and make sure that you follow all the do's and don'ts that I have discussed in this video. I wish you all the very best in this big journey of yours.